Hello, my name's Gwen Lazenby. I'm an instructor with Oracle University, and a question I often get asked by my students is how do they prepare for their exams? And I'm going to show you what I tell them. So first of all, go and look at the exam descriptions which are available from certification.oracle.com. I'm particularly interested in DBA exams, so I've chosen Database Administrator and Database here, and the 11G OCA exam, Oracle Certified Associate. Now we see details not only of the OCA here, but the OCP, and if you're interested in becoming an Oracle Certified Master. But I'm particularly interested in how to pass this exam here. And this takes me to the exam page. I can see details, the exam number, I'm going to need that later on. Duration, 90 minutes, number of questions I'm going to get is 70. Passing score is 66, so I need 66% of these 70 questions correct in order to pass the exam. But what I'm most interested in at the moment is the exam topics. This is the list of topics that will appear. The questions will be taken from topics listed in this list here. Print this list out, something I've done here, and then go through the list and tick off all the areas that you are happy with, things that you know very well or very confident about. Then put question marks next to the things, well, I know a bit about that, but I've never really used it. I've seen people use it. I need a bit more information about that. And then put crosses next to the things you really don't know. It's stuff you've never seen, features you've never used. And be honest about this because, well, you don't want to sit the exam and fail, do you? So go back to the exam page now and check what the passing mark is. The one I'm using at the moment is 66%. And compare the number of ticks. Well, compare how many topics have you ticked off, questioned against, or crossed against. If the percentage of ticks exceeds the passing score, then you're probably ready to book the exam. Go and book your exam appointment, but keep on preparing. I'm going to give you a list of self-paced resources in the future screen. If the percentage of ticks and question marks together, added together, exceeds the passing mark, then you need to do a bit more preparation, concentrating on the areas you put question marks next to. And I'm going to give you some self-paced preparation resources next page. If the percentage of crosses exceeds the passing mark, you definitely need some more preparation work. Consider attending one of the Oracle University training courses. We list appropriate ones on the exam page. So we go to exam preparation here. You will see the recommended training course for this exam is Oracle Database 11G Administration Workshop 1. Now this one is a 5-day course which is there to teach you how to become a DBA. It's not specifically there to prepare you for the exam. So how about sources of self-preparation material? Well, first of all, we have the exam prep seminars. These are fast-paced online seminars specifically focused on exam objectives. If there is one available for your exam, it will be listed here. In this case, a certification exam prep seminar for people wanting to sit the 10G, 11G Administration 1 exam. Also, if you go to the education.oracle.com site, go on training and training on demand, you will see a tab for exam prep seminars, and it will list all the available exam prep seminars, and there might be one there that's suitable for your exam. We also have the Oracle Learning Library. This is hundreds of online tutorials and demos, each covering a very specific area of the Oracle technology. Available at otn.oracle.com, go to tutorials, link on the left-hand side, or go directly there using this link. This will take you to the OLL homepage. I'm particularly interested in database topics, and this will actually take me to the 12C Learning Library. We've got details about tutorials about installing, getting started, using the listener control utility. We've also got videos here. It is 12C here. There are plenty of tutorials and demos for 11G and 10G as well. If you're looking for a particular topic, the search engine might be suitable. Key in a topic, let's say resource manager, database resource manager. It's in the database area, do a search. And we've got 2 demos and 1 tutorial. Also tell you how long the duration of these tutorials and demos are. Finally, we have the practice exams. If you go back to the exam page, you can see we have, you can obtain practice exams from Kaplan Self-Test, from Transcender, and there's also a few sample questions there. These will give you examples of the format of the questions. They are multi-choice questions. Once you are prepared for the exam, it's time to book the exam. You do this through a company called Pearson VUE, and go to that particular link. Remember to put Oracle on the end there. And some of our exams require you, some of our qualifications require you to have attended an Oracle training course. And you need to tell Pearson VUE about that course. You can do that by clicking on the Submit Course Form link there. But if you want to schedule or reschedule or cancel an exam, sign into your account. Now, some of our exams can be taken online. Your exam description page will tell you if your exam can be taken online, and here is where you sign in if you want to schedule that exam. Otherwise, go to here and log in. Click on Schedule Exam. The full list of available exams will be listed here. There are quite a few of them. So if you have your exam number to hand, in my case it's got 060 in it, that can be a very fast way of finding your exam. So Upgrade to Oracle 12c is the one I'm interested in. That will be added to the list here. You might be able to choose to do it in other languages other than English, so the drop-down box there. Click on Next. Now you need to find an exam centre near your location. So put in your address. And the 5 nearest exam centres are shown. I'm going to choose this one. Now choose a date that you want to sit the exam on. Give you a list of available appointments. Click on Select Appointment and then click on Next. Here's a summary of what you've chosen. Now your payment method. You could have an Oracle certification voucher. You've prepaid voucher, put in the voucher number there. Or if you click on Next, you can enter your card details. So when you go to this site, have to hand your exam number, your title, dates you have in mind, and your payment details, credit or debit card, or one of these Oracle certification vouchers. You need the voucher number. And the only thing to say now is good luck.